Greetings everyone. My name is Akshita Rathore and today I am presenting my innovation HydroDyno, a water flow based electricity generation system. In our country, millions of liters of water flow every hour through pipelines in buildings, water supply systems and irrigation channels. This continuous flow has huge untapped kinetic energy. My project captures this wasted energy and converts it into clean electricity. The system uses the kinetic energy of moving water. When water flows through the pipe, it pushes against small turbine-like rotors attached to dynamos fitted inside the pipeline. As the rotor spins, the dynamo's coil rotates in a magnetic field, producing electricity by electromagnetic induction, exactly according to the Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. The generated electricity is then rectified and used to power small loads. In my model, I will demonstrate this by lighting a bulb using the electricity produced simply from water flow. A pipeline is used to show the flow of water clearly. Inside the pipe, I have placed a small turbine or rotator whose blades rotate when water flows through the pipe. The turbine is mechanically connected to a mini dynamo. When water flows, it pushes the blades. The turbine rotates. This rotation spins the shaft of the dynamo, which generates electricity, and the green bulb lights up. We have used a motor that gives low pressure to water for safety reasons. Therefore, when water flows with high pressure in real life, the pressure drives the turbine. Due to electromagnetic induction inside the dynamo, electricity is generated instantly. The electric output is sent through wires to power small LED bulbs. When water flow increases, the turbine spins faster and the bulb glows brighter, showing how kinetic energy of water is directly converted into electrical energy. I demonstrate this in my model by starting the water flow and showing the dynamo rotation and bulb lighting up in real time, like this. Today, a lot of electricity is used just to pump water to high-rise buildings. If my system is installed inside pipelines, the same flowing water can generate enough back energy to partially or even fully run the pumps themselves and making the building more energy efficient. It reduces dependence on the grid, lower bills, and provides a sustainable energy alternative without disturbing the normal water supply. The system can be integrated into city water supply pipelines to generate large-scale renewable energy. With AI-based flow sensors, water velocity can be monitored to optimize turbine placement. Future versions may include smart grids storing excess energy in batteries. It can support agriculture, generating free electricity from irrigation canals. In high-rise buildings, multiple turbines can create a self-sustainable water energy loop. HydroDyno uses a simple scientific principle but shows a powerful solution for India's sustainability goals. It converts everyday water flow into meaningful electricity, clean, continuous, and cost effective. Thank you.